done its job. And what he found was zero indication that the board did any of that. Remember that post where Trump announced that he was shutting down the Kennedy Center? He said, after a one-year review that has taken place with contractors, musical experts, art institutions, and other advisors and consultants. Judge Cooper said the evidence of any such review is nil. So he straight up called out Trump for lying. But the previous board actually did all the things Trump said he did. They spent years considering various plans to update the facility and came up with a schedule that would allow them to complete the work in phases so as not to interrupt programming. The board appointed by Trump considered one thing, and that was Trump's order to shut the thing down. Even Floca, who claimed to have conducted this extensive analysis, admitted that the only factor he considered was the efficiency of construction. He said he'd consulted exactly one person on the art side, and that was a stagehand. He did not take into account the loss of goodwill with the community or declining ticket revenues. He didn't think about how a 2-year disruption might destroy relationships with artists and staff that would make it much harder to resume programming in 2028. For instance, the National Symphony relies on the Kennedy Center for financial support and a venue to perform. If that goes away for 2 whole years, the symphony probably won't survive. Floca and the board didn't consider any of that. They just took Trump's post and Floca's cursory report and voted on it, which is not how a reasonable fiduciary behaves.